Dubai, UAE, the world's most extravagant fireworks display. Dubai pulls out all the stops for New Year's Eve with jaw-dropping fireworks, light shows, and luxury experiences. Why visit Dubai for New Year's Eve? Burj Khalifa Show, the tallest building in the world, hosts an incredible light and fireworks display. Luxury celebrations. Enjoy VIP parties, yacht cruises, and rooftop events. Warm weather. Perfect for outdoor celebrations. Top places to visit in Dubai. 1. Burj Khalifa, the centerpiece of Dubai's New Year's Eve celebration. 2. Dubai Fountain. Enjoy synchronized light and water shows. 3. Palm Jumeirah, spectacular beachfront fireworks displays. 4th, Global Village, family-friendly festivities and cultural performances. 5. Downtown Dubai, the heart of the city's celebrations. 6. Dubai, Marina, offers luxury yacht cruises. How to prepare for your trip to Dubai. Book early. Hotels and flights fill up fast. Dress modestly. Respect local customs. Stay hydrated. Dubai's weather can be warm. Make your New Year's unforgettable in Dubai. Book your flight to Dubai now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. You can also book hotels and flight tickets at competitive prices through the link in the description. Plus, find all your travel essentials and gear right there too. See you in the next video. Goodbye.